Hi everyone, it's Gavin. Wait, is this on? Okay, yeah, it's on. I'm holding my camera because I'm gonna walk around and show you guys cool things. So, I ended up. So enjoy. Oh, I finally put the flag back up. Okay. Okay. Don't judge me. Well, this week we've kind of had like a snowmageddon thing. Like, look, there's two cars not able to pass. You have to like pull off to the side of the road to be able to get by each other. Yeah. We got like 2 feet of snow, two to 3 feet of snow. You can see my car imprint. It's right there. That's where we used to have the car, but then we had to move it because of the snow plows. They've shoveled around it. He's shoveling around his right now. Yeah, we had a lot of snow. Yeah, it's like Snowzilla, Snowmageddon, Blizzard, Snowtastrophe. Oh yeah, you see that down there? I had to dig a 4-foot hole into that and get into the hole and try to find a stupid storm drain. Look on my Snapchat to see the videos. Yeah, there's my Toby's path. That's the circle my mailbox is on. Yeah, we had Thursday off, Friday off, and then with Saturday, Sunday. Today's Monday. We had today off. We're having tomorrow off. And says most likely we're gonna have a Wednesday off because they still haven't cleared the schools, and no one can really. They have no sidewalks, like right there. Follow my finger. That's where the sidewalk is. You can't see it. That's where a bus stop is. Like, there's no place for kids to ride their bus. Get onto the bus. And there's a guy walking a dog. Hey, I know that kid. His mom works with my mom. So yeah. Most likely we're not gonna have a lot of school this week. We already have like down to like a 3-day week. So it's gonna be fun. I'm extremely bored. That's why I've been catching up on my videos. Yeah, I have like making like 2 more today. Hey, it works. Okay, peace out everyone. Have a good day. I don't know why that was so hard for me. I haven't been able to run, so been slowly getting out of shape, so this is kind of sad. But okay, bye everyone, peace out.